Right, well, hello everybody. Right now I'm coming to you from Custer, the town of Custer, and kind of the southern part of the Black Hills. I left camp about 11 o'clock and got here about, what was it, 12:40. So it's like an hour and, like an hour and 40-minute ride it was, something like that. But I don't make it down to Custer very often because it's kind of a further away. I don't get down here as much as I would like, so I decided today to come down here, and I came straight to here to this park and ate. It was time to eat, so I just finished up. So I think right now I'm going to take a walk around this park, and then we'll head over to the main drag that goes through Custer and kind of see what there is. So anyways, okay, let's go take a look around at the park now. First, let's see what the name of the park is. Harbach Centennial Park. Established June 28, 1975. Yeah, City of Custer. Now, I several years ago, well, not several years ago, but within the last 4 years, I ate at a park down here in Custer, and I'm thinking this might have been it. But it's changed a lot since then. As you can see, there's a lot of new, looks like the recent work that's been done. Everything seems fresh. And it looks like that would have been able to be done since the last time I was here. I'll look around a little bit more and see if it is the same park. I'm not sure. But it also serves as a trailhead for the Mickelson Trail. Wow. 109 miles long. Wow. Okay, there's all the information for the trail. There we are. Oh yeah, it goes all the way down to Edgemont. Going all the way up through the Black Hills. And there he is. Deadwood. Man, it's amazing that they're able to put that trail together. Step up there and see if we can go in. I don't know. Nope. Back down. Chamber of Commerce right there. Yeah, all this is new. Yeah, she even still got the bobcat over there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the same park that I stayed at. I'd have to go back and look at my older videos from whenever it was. But yeah, it's totally changed here. Redid the whole park, it looks like. Beautiful. Looks like Custer, the city of Custer, is stepping up their game. Nice. General George A. Custer, 1839-1876. That'd be the visitor center. Yeah. This is right across the road from the park. What in the world could that be? We have the little drill grooves, and that explains what it is. Crazy Horse Memorial glass fragment. 1,800 pounds. Well, that thing was up there and kaboom, and it came falling down. Man, live. Oh yeah, I gotta see this side of it too. Yeah. So there, that's the kind of rock that Crazy Horse that they're carving in. Amazing. Oh, there's you know who, and we all know what that painting is depicting. When. Wow. See what this side is. Oh, okay. There he is in better times. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, at the visitor center there, I picked up. We got a packet there. We got information. I'm gonna take probably look at that tonight when I get back to camp. I don't know if we'll make it back to Custer on this trip, but we'll see. Play it by ear. Check that out. Custer Skywalk Nature Trail. Wow. Use that on risk. Going uphill. Oh. Gotta read about that. George. Okay, I'm going to take in. Hold that. You can pause and read it if you want. Hold it there for a second so it's more steady. Okay, and then I'll go down a little bit. You can pause and read. Down a little bit. There we go. All right. Cool. George. Look at that. Man alive, I did not know they had all this stuff here. There's that skywalk trail that we're right next to. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, that's where we are right now. Or I am, I should say. Huh. It goes up way up there to Sunrise Point. Look at all the trails once you get up there too. Oh, man alive. We got disc golf. I've never played it before. Wow, look at that. But today, I'm not taking the time. Man, I'm definitely going to have to return to Custer at a time other than the Sturgis motorcycle rally and actually stay down here and camp down here and hit all this stuff. Man alive, it's amazing what all they've got done here the last few years. Yeah, I am sure this is the park that I had stayed at. That where I ate at, I mean, a few years back. There's a picnic shelter that I ate at right over in that area. And there was also a pit toilet somewhere over there that's no longer there that I remember I used. Yeah, because I remember it was a dead end there and I rode out that way. I'm pretty sure that's it anyways. I don't know. Yeah, I have to go back and watch that video if I can find remember which one it was. As I cross this bridge here, there's my bike right there, and the main drag is right down there. I'm going to just leave the bike right there and go on foot. There's no reason to hop on and drive over there and park. It's just right down there. And there's the main drag. It's like the main intersection in town. There's so many little shops and stuff along here. And Custer has really come a long ways, I think. For a time there, I think they were kind of down on their luck. Wow. I think I'm going to head down there and then come back on that side and then... Well, actually, yeah, I'm down that road. Yeah, I'm just going to go down this way and then back to the bike. I've seen this one before. I remember it. I love it. Got the mountain goes straight on it. That's so cool. I love this one. So cool. Put Dan back, get all of it. The other side again. Beautiful. Yeah, and this is a couple days before the Sturgis motorcycle rally, but once it starts, Custer will be closing off this stretch to motorcycle parking only. But other vehicles will still be able to drive through. They just can't park. So it'll be motorcycle parking. Because this is kind of like a main highway. They can't block off the vehicles from you know, the cars and stuff going by. Cross over here. Okay, the one last look at the main drag through Custer. And they have this section closed off for vendors for once the rally starts. Not open yet. In a couple days they will be. Alright, right now I am now in Hill City. I left Custer from that park there. What I did was I mounted both the GoPros and I rode over to here to Hill City for one of my non-stop, my entire complete rides that I'm doing. And that video will be posting on my riding and driving channel. It won't be on this one. So that complete ride will be on a different channel, riding and driving. And the link to that channel, you can go to my Let's Go Traveling channel, and I have a link towards that. So you can find the channel there that way. And let's see, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, the route I took from Custer to Hill City is not the normal, you know, the main drive that you take, you traditionally take. I took the route that takes you past the Sylvan Lake entrance to Custer State Park to the Needles Highway, but I did not turn right to go into the Needles Highway. I just kept going straight and came over to Custer, or I mean Hill City. It's a different route, so it's a really pretty ride too. So, but anyways, this video has gotten like really long, longer than I was planning on it, I think. Anyways, I haven't added everything up together yet, but anyways, another video. I went to the museum, the 1881 Courthouse Museum that's in Custer there, and I filmed in there. I did an entire video on that, and that video will be posting after I get back from Sturgis. I can do all my editing, my normal editing at home. That's when that video will be posting, so it's not going to be in this one, a real-time video. But anyways, I'm going to get ready, hop onto the bike. I'm all ready to go now, in fact. I already put the cameras away, so I'm just going to head back to camp now. And let's see. I think what I'll do is I'm going to end this video right now. I'm not going to be doing any more videoing the rest of the day. I'm just going home and fill up on gas, get ice, and eat supper and go to bed. No, maybe a shower too, that's right. But anyways, yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.